Sansui 32 inches HD Ready Smart LED TV. Product information. Here is a jaw-dropping display and amazing audio that enhance your TV viewing experience. A bezel-less design and display combine to give your senses a celebration every day. Stay up to date on the latest TV shows and movies with hotkeys on the remote. It is equipped with an exclusive feature that lets you cast your entertainment directly from devices like your phone or tablet. The Sansui Smart TV is a must for your living room. HD ready display. Enjoy a clear and consistent visual of image from all angles with 16:09 display scale and dynamic color enhancer which offers a stunning and rich image quality. Bezel-less design. Indulge in an immersive and edgeless viewing experience with a bezel-less design combined with a wide viewing angle. Incredible audio. Let your ears experience the magic of 20W speakers which offer clear and deep sound and let you get a new perspective of good home audio with theater-like sound effects. Unlimited entertainment. Entertainment knows no bounds with our smart TVs which come equipped with a pre-installed movie box, smart remote with hotkeys and inbuilt apps store which is always updated with the latest and trending content. Seamless connectivity. Our smart TVs let you connect all your devices with ease through multiple ports such as USB, HDMI, RJ45 and many more so that you can experience a variety of content within the comfort of your living room on your Sansui TV. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.